ChatGPT versus Google Gemini. In this video, we compare ChatGPT with Google Gemini in relation to translating academic documents and tasks, including research papers. So we will see that which AI, either the Google Gemini works best or ChatGPT. So let's start this video. I have an academic paper in Italian language. As you can see that it is an academic paper in Italian language and I want to convert this paper into English language. This research paper PDF consists of 131 pages, which means it is lengthy. So first, let's try the ChatGPT to translate this whole paper that is almost 131 pages into the English language. Let's start. Open your internet browser, type ChatGPT on the browser, click on this plus icon and select Add Photos and Files. Select the required file, click OK. Now write this prompt, convert whole text in this paper into English language. Our file is uploaded. Once the uploading is final, we will ask ChatGPT to convert the whole text into the English language. ChatGPT has started analyzing this PDF document. Here you go. You can see ChatGPT is telling us details of paper. It is telling us the title and what it explores. It is also asking if you would like this translation in a downloadable format, for example Word or PDF, or summarized into key points or slides. Let me know. I will write I need PDF format. Here you go. Your translated summary has been saved as a PDF. You can download it here. Let's click on it. Open it. Unfortunately, ChatGPT failed to translate our document into English language as it was having 131 pages and now this document contains 1 page. Now let's try with Google Gemini. Open Google Gemini website. Click on the plus icon for adding PDF paper. Click Open and write same prompt here. Convert the whole text into English language and do not provide the summary or key points. Click on this Submit option. Google Gemini has started analyzing this PDF document. Google Gemini is converting the whole text in this paper into English language. Scroll down and it's still converting the Italian language into the English language. You can see that the Google Gemini has successfully converted this paper into English language in a single click. While ChatGPT failed to convert our paper into English language, it means that Google Gemini has outclassed the ChatGPT given the translation task. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.